clears, clogs instantly. Okay, what is this? What is this? What are they claiming? Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at that. It's like a little mini thing you pump. I don't know. I don't know if this would work. Let's see if I put it down here. Oh, you know what? You know what? That would work. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. This is a good one. This is a good one. Yikes. Hey, this is Holly, and we're shopping at the Dollar Tree today. I'm going to show you what's up and what's new. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you click that button. Oh my gosh, here's one of my all-time favorite things at the Dollar Tree, and you can see they're already picked over our sunglasses. Oh, no, these are new. They're sun readers. Look at that, you guys. I've never seen that before. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. If you need to magnify something out, or if you just want to read outside, isn't that clever? That's awesome. And look at that. They got some totally cool eccentric ones right there. Look at that. Oh, those are totally new to my Dollar Tree. I love that concept. Oh, I wonder if there's any leather. They're trying to hide it from me behind the boxes. I know it. I'm gonna find leather. I'm gonna find leather. I'm gonna find leather. Oh, the bumblebee ribbon is cute right there. Okay, I think I'm stuck. I'm stuck behind the boxes. Yes, no? Oh, it's not looking good for the leather. What's up with the leather? Is that like the holy grail here of ribbon? Somebody said that if I couldn't find the leather, on the roll, like the leather ribbon, that they would have some kind of like vinyl type leather. Here, am I missing something? Is that it? That's pink. I wouldn't want pink. I've never seen that. I've seen it in plastic, but I have not seen the bowls yet and the plates. That's neat. What's this? Oh, that makes me dizzy. Ooh, I don't know if I think if I was eating off of that, I would feel like I'm being watched. Oh, look at him. He is so cute. That is like the plate. Kind of. The eye? Look at that. That's like that plate. That's why I said it would seem like someone was watching me. He agrees. I haven't seen these in any of the Dollar Trees yet. This is definitely new to my Dollar Tree. They're solar stair lights, as they suggest. They're for the stairs. They don't come with sticky stuff. What does it say here? It looks like, ooh, they put it on a fence there. That's very clever. You could do this. Yeah, they're not sticky. You definitely have to screw them on, but they come with their own little screws. You can see it right there. They even have the little plastic, I forget what they're called, but it's so that the screw doesn't come out. They have them in this shape, and they have another one in this shape right here. I think they're meant for flags, right? But you could actually buy these and hang some of the solar lights in my last video that I showed you how to make. Oh, there's a solar light there. That's different. Looks like the light comes out the side. So that's a different kind of design, especially if you wanted to aim that up towards your house. That's kind of neat, actually, because those would be good. I don't know, you know what? Maybe I should get some of these. Ooh, what's this? What is this? Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. They're just little glazed mushrooms. They're called glazed mushroom decor. And they come in this little rusty color, brown, and this green. This Dollar Tree has their patriotic stuff out, which is really cute this year. Looks like they've got some patriotic beads. Some wooden beads, that would be so cute for a tiered tray. Oh, they have little tiny buckets, that would be cute for a tiered tray as well. Ooh, nice. They've got tablecloths. Oh, ornaments, these are star ornaments. Are those metal? Oh yeah, they are. Well, that makes them nicer quality because they're metal like that. Look at that, look how cute that is. If you just want to hang that around your porch or around your house. That's super cute. And I like this burlap ribbon very much. I think that is so pretty. I should buy that. Yes, I should buy that. And they also have their graduation stuff out. It looks like they're bringing that out for 2023. Look at how cute. If you guys have any graduates, this is a great place to find discounted graduation stuff. Look at that. It's a little graduation hat. Oh, that's totally cute. They've got some mugs. Napkins and paper goods. They've got some cute frames. This is if your graduate gets a car for graduation. You can put the keys on here. Now, I've been waiting for this to come to a Dollar Tree, any Dollar Tree, this little shoe bag, because I do believe that these are great for organization for sure. A storage container. I've heard mixed reviews about how big these are when you actually open them up, but still better than a kick in the head. Leave a comment if you're addicted to these little baked green pea snack things. I don't like them when they're wasabi. I just like the plain ones, but oh, I love those things. I love them. And another thing at the Dollar Tree that I love and I always get are these little dried bananas. They are so good. On with the vinyl mats here. I like these. Oh, I'm going to do a big video on what you can do with these vinyl mats, and this is definitely going to be an addition. Oh, hello. Wait, you have to make sure these little metal things aren't crooked like that one. Here's a straight one. People have been talking about these vases. I did not realize, look at in comparison to my hand. Those are tiny. Cute though, still very cute. It's here. This one works good for hot glue. And it looks like it comes in another color. I wonder how many colors it comes in. Oh, probably, I only know of 2 so far. Do not buy these at the Dollar Tree. I bought 3, each time hoping that they would be sharper than the next. They don't work. Like, they literally don't work. They grab your skin and you have to pull your skin off. Not good. Same thing with these. They look good. It's one of those like, look, we made it look almost identical, but it doesn't work that good. Oh, oh my God. Oh, look, it's like they're sabotaging me. They don't want me to get there. I'm gonna get there. They've got blonde bobby pins. Oh my gosh, I got them. I always buy these. I always end up using them. I'm either doing my hair or giving myself a deep hot oil treatment. By the way, you can just wet your hair and put either coconut oil or olive oil on it. Stick this on your head, sit for 3 hours, and your hair is beautiful. Non-toxic, cheap, works perfect. Ooh, I love the Dollar Tree bags. They're really coming out with it. Look at this. You guys can make pillows out of these, or you can use them as a bag. So true. You could absolutely use one of these for when it's pink time, like Easter or Valentine's, for a DIY. There's still winter stuff in this Dollar Tree. What does that tell me? What does that tell me? But look how cute. Oh, those are cute. Hey, there's some coastal socks right there. Hee hee hee. It's pretty. I've never seen that before. Look at that. They have like a little one. Oh, I bet you could use this for a DIY. Of course you could. Of course you could. Look at that. That's so 1950s cute. That is so cute. summer collection of kitchen, which I haven't seen. I mean, I've seen it at some Dollar Trees, but I don't think I've talked about it. They have like a little watermelon collection. It's kind of cute. Well, it's actually very cute. Right here, what colors do they come in? Oh, they color. Oh, I like that. They come in the green right there. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I could do something really cute with those. What's this? Oh, these are those stackable organizing drawers. You know what? I think I'm going to buy the rest of these because I have a bunch of little craft stuff, as you guys can imagine, and this would come in really handy for that. Okay, here's something I've never seen before. It's a decorative cake tray. So what it looks like underneath here, it has like these lines and everything, but here's the thing. There's a picture of a bottom. And I don't know if I'm seeing things or I'm missing something. Leave a comment below if I'm missing something, but I don't see that bottom. Ooh, this plastic here, I don't know if you guys can see, it almost has like a blue tinge. Look at that. That's different. It's very space age. Ooh, they even have like nautical theme here with the fairy stuff. You wouldn't think that it would be here, but it is. It's with the fairy stuff. Aww. Those actually remind me of those three women in, what is it, Sleeping Beauty? Those three little fairies? How funny. Yes, it's plastic, but it's got like an iridescent rainbow. Isn't that pretty? That's actually very pretty. Oh. And this Dollar Tree has the little mermaids that you can hang and use like a towel hanger in your bathroom or just hang something on it. And they've got the same thing going on with anchors, which is really neat. Ooh, look at those lanterns. Wow, those were not at my other Dollar Tree. Those are really pretty. Oh, wow. And they come in 3 different colors. Look at that. That's actually very pretty. You could paint those and fix those up. Oh, and I've never seen this before either. This was not at the last Dollar Tree I was at. That's a little turtle with the little wooden beads. But if you do just a quick little pick-me-up, that's a great convenience. Oh. Look at that, patriotic flowers. Okay, so I've never seen these before. What are these? Candy jar with lid. Oh my gosh, those are plastic candy jars. Oh, look at that. That's just calling me right there. Craft fabric. Right there, perfect. That's new to my Dollar Tree. I've never seen this before in this color. This is glitter in all these earthy tones here and some sequins. I've never seen that before. I've never seen these berry picks either. Do you know what's new that you've never seen before at the Dollar Tree? You got anything new and exciting here? Something new that came in? The only thing new. So this is new, and I think it's part of their little shore living collection. Look how beautiful that is. And look, it gets better. Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. Up here, same thing, some sea animals. Super cute. Ooh. Oh, keys. Those are awesome. I'm getting those. I'm getting those. Oh, here's the truck I used to make the most awesome truck ever. It's a 3D full truck. Looks just as good as anything you'd buy at a craft store. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. Ooh, I'm gonna get more of these. Oh, some more sea stuff. I think this is all supposed to complement the shore living line. I've never seen this before. That's not like a sticker, but it's in with the stickers and it's solid. This is new to me. It goes along with the whole shore living theme. Some rub-on transfers. And these are always good to have right here. These are always good to have. Ooh, it's some more shore living type stuff, but the letters are very good. Oh, totally cute. Oh, Mermaids. This is new to my Dollar Tree too. They're totally into the whole nautical shore living line. Everything's in a little theme, even in the toys. That's awesome. Look at those. Those are really pretty right there. Lots of nautical rope, but no leather. Me. This is the first time I've ever seen the pegboard hooks. And here's the pegboards. Oh, they're small. I'm definitely going to pass on the pegboards. Passing on the pegboards. I've never seen that either. Look at that. It's got an unusual edge. If you need a screen guard protection for your phone, they sell them here. That's a good deal. I use those all the time. Look at that. You can even stay in a farmhouse theme with your cell phone. It's a phone grip and stand, so you can lean your phone back. That's kind of neat. What is this? Removable, won't harm walls, wall creations. You can put stuff on your wall that looks like metal. So they don't have S-hooks at Dollar Tree, but these are really handy. Like, I keep my craft supplies in my closet, and I put that where you would hang a coat hanger, and then I can loop a lot of different signs on by their little jute twine hangers, I guess, and they come in really, really handy. I don't think these work. I don't know why, but if you spend more money, the suction holes. Ooh, that's neat. A little clip-on spotlight. Anyway, that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now.